Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video.Studio, and today I'm going to share with you how to do a text percentage counter in the edit page of Davinci Resolve. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're in Davinci Resolve right now on the edit page, and I will basically like to have a percentage counter here on top of this clip. I have someone playing video game, and I would like the counter to go from 0% to 100%. To do that, we're gonna go over in Effect. Here, we're gonna click on Title, and we're gonna bring in a text plus. It's important that it's a text plus and not a simple text, because we're gonna do a couple of things to it that you don't have here in text. So now I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit, and I'm gonna cover my entire clip with it, and I'm just gonna select it, go into the inspector, and here I'm gonna right click on the text area, and we're gonna click on expression, and we're gonna use an expression right here to create that effect. So I'm just gonna delete what is in the expression box right now, and I'm gonna delete also what is in the text box, and here I'm just gonna paste this formula right here, and that's what's gonna create our effect. Don't worry if you don't want to just write that formula on your own. I put it in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it, so it's very easy and quick to do. And just like that, as you can see, we got our percentage title, and it's adaptive, meaning that it's gonna go from 0 here at the beginning of the title till 100. So then if you want it to go quicker and to not cover the entire clip, for example, you can adjust here the size of your title, and it will be just quicker. You can also adjust the style. So here, for example, I would like to change it for Montserrat. I'm gonna go with Montserrat Black. Here we're gonna just raise, for example, the size. Here we could go also in shading. We could go in select element 3 and enable it, and it will create here a shadow to make the title pop a little more and create more separation with our background. And then we can play it, and we have our percentage title. It only took a couple of seconds to do. It's very, very easy. Again, you can find the expression here that we need to paste in the expression box in the description below. Let me know in a comment if you would like to see a more in-depth video about something like this, and make it, for example, a loader in Fusion. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates, but only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at video.studio.com.